when such a creature, born for water, must use its regeneration in a completely confined environment.
This remarkable amphibian possesses an extraordinary ability. It's one of few creatures capable of fully regenerating lost body parts, a true biological marvel. My objective is clear: to meticulously raise this axolotl, carefully tracking its entire life cycle and unique behaviors. And every single day, I will closely monitor its astonishing self-regeneration process, documenting every minute detail. From its earliest days, the axolotl displayed distinct behaviors, unlike typical amphibians. It rarely swam or climbed, showing a unique calm. Unlike other curious creatures, the axolotl largely ignored its surroundings, preferring stillness. Its environment remained largely unexamined, a quiet aquatic existence. Most often, it remained motionless at the tank's bottom, a tranquil observer. Only the presence of food would prompt a subtle, graceful movement. This unique stillness wasn't indolence, but a highly evolved survival strategy, a testament to millions of years of adaptation, a masterpiece of evolution. Unlike other salamanders, the axolotl exhibits neoteny, a fascinating phenomenon where it retains larval features, remaining young and aquatic throughout its entire life. Its specialized diet, comprising nutrient-rich bloodworms, insect larvae, and small benthic organisms, is carefully provided, fostering the axolotl's robust growth and vitality. During close observation, an unexpected incident occurred. The axolotl's forelimb sustained a severe injury, a critical moment in its monitored existence. Surprisingly, there was no dramatic blood loss or any panicked reaction from the creature. It remained remarkably still, a testament to its calm. In the first few days, the axolotl's injured limb began to retract. Its body initiated an incredible healing process, preparing for efficient regeneration. Dead tissue spontaneously detached, revealing a remarkably smooth surface. It was as if the creature's body was inherently prepared for this regenerative phase. This efficient self-defense and recovery mechanism unfolded almost unconsciously, showcasing nature's remarkable ability to heal and adapt with inherent efficiency. I continuously photographed and filmed, meticulously documenting every transformative stage. The axolotl, ever unique, maintained its striking appearance throughout intense observation. Amidst these changes, the axolotl retained its distinct features, lidless eyes and rhythmic gills. I felt a profound sense of awe, witnessing a true biological miracle unfold. By weeks 3 to 4, tiny toes emerge and the limb's form becomes distinct, perfectly recreating its original structure. Remarkably, the axolotl shows no signs of pain or significant stress. Its behavior, including eating, remains completely normal. For the axolotl, regeneration isn't a miracle but rather an intrinsic, normal biological function, effortlessly integrated into its existence. The axolotl's entire regeneration process unfolds exclusively when it is fully submerged in water. This aquatic environment is absolutely essential for its unique healing capabilities. Water meticulously keeps the axolotl's incredibly sensitive skin perfectly moist and protected. This critical hydration is fundamental for facilitating its delicate regenerative processes. Born for the water, the axolotl is perfectly adapted to its aquatic habitat. Every aspect of its being is exquisitely tailored for life beneath the surface. The axolotl never needed to leave the water. Within its aquatic world, it not only thrives but possesses an astonishing ability to miraculously heal and regenerate.